the first question I'm going to solve, question number 36, it asks, Amrita went to a market for purchasing stationery items for her son. She carried 500 rupees with her. Rupees 500 with her. She paid rupees 135.50 for the notebooks. Rupees 30.50 for pens. Rupees 3.75 for erasers. Rupees 48 for box of colors. And finally, rupees 142 for a geometry box. And it asks how much money is left with R. To answer this question, to solve this question, we have to add how much money he used in all. We have to add 135.50, 30.50, 3.75, 48.00, and 142.00. So if we add this, the answer will be 359.75. So to find the money that is left with her, we have to subtract this rupees 359.75 from this rupees 500. Then the answer will be 140.25. 140.25. Then the answer to question number 36 is rupees 140.25. This money is still left with her. At the next question, question number 37. We have to match list 1 with list 2. On the list 1, there is number 1, half of a circle. Number 2, half of the longest chord short of a circle. Number C, the line segment which divides a circle into equal parts. Number D, all diameters of a circle intersect at a point. On list number 2, at the number 1, there is diameter. Number 2, center of circle. Number 3, semicircle. Number 4, radius. So in here, number A, half of a circle, is going to be number 3 on list 2. Number 3, semicircle. That is A equals 3. A is 3. Then on list 1, number B, half of the longest chord of a circle. Then half of the longest chord of a circle, as we know. As we know, on a circle, the longest chord will be the diameter at the middle of the circle, the line at the middle of the circle. And we know that half of this line is radius. As we know, the longest chord in a circle is the diameter, that is in the middle of the circle. Then make the circle in equal halves. And if we divide the diameter, the longest chord in half, the other side, the one side of the line, the other side of the line is radius, called radius. So it will be number B on this one will be number 4 on this 2, which is radius. On the number 3, on the number C of this one, it says the line segment which divides a circle in two equal parts. Which means in a circle, a line segment that is in the middle of the circle, which divides the circle into equal halves. As I already said, it is called diameter, the longest chord. So then, number C will be number 1 of these two, which is diameter. On the number D of this one, it says all diameters of a circle intersect at a point. It means in a circle, if I write different diameters in the circle, which which divided into equal halves, like this one, it divides this both and this one. It divides into this half and this half. This one also, it divides into this one and this one. If I write many of them on a circle, it will intersect in one point. So the answer will be center of a circle. Then number D will on this one will be number 2 of these two. So the answer to question number 37 is A 3, B 4, C I D 2. C D I B I V A I. On the next question, question number 38. It is written a circle. There is a circle written on it. And it is divided into two equal halves, which is the diameter. This side is A, this side is B. And there is a chord again over here. And this is the center of circle. This point is called, in here is O, and this side is P. It asks if the figure O is the center of the circle. If AB equals 8 centimeter, then the length of OP is. So if A and B equals 8 centimeter, then what will be O and P? Since A and B is the diameter and is the longest diameter, if I cut it in half, there will be two radius. And if we look at the radius, it will be this point to be. Then if we look at it closely, this radius it has the equal size as length as O and P, OP. So the answer is 4. Since the radius would be half of this diameter length, 8. So the answer to this question number 38 is 4 centimeter. On question number 39, it asks which of the following fractions will be at the third place from the left when these fractions are arranged in ascending orders. There are 4 different fractions. 2 by 3, 5 by 6, 7 by 8, and 9 by 14. So it asks us to put these 4 fractions in an ascending order. And asks us what will be on the third place from the left. Here. So to find the difference between each other, we have to find the LCM of these 4 denominators. So, to find the LCM of these 4 denominators, we have to multiply these 2, 3, 2, 2, and 7. If we multiply this, 2 times 3 times 2 times 2 times 7. 2 times 3 will be 6. 2 times 2 will be 4. And now 6 times 4 times 7 is still left. 6 times 4 is 24. The last one that is still left is 24 times 7. If we multiply 24 times 7, the answer will be 168. So the LCM of these 4 denominators is 168. We divide this 168 by 3 from the first fraction. The answer will be 56. Then we have to multiply 2 times 56 by 3. And there is 5 by 6. We have to divide 168 by 6 again. And it will be 20. It will be 28. Then we should multiply this 5 with 28. And the denominator will be 168. Then the next one, 7 by 8. We will divide 168 with 8 again. It will be 21. So we'll multiply this 7 with 29. And the last one, 9 by 14. We have to divide this 168 with 14. It will be 12. Then 9 times 12 by 168. So we got to multiply this 4 we got to multiply all of these. If we multiply 56 times 2, the answer will be 112. Then we write 112 here. And 112 by denominator, 68. And we will multiply this 5 times 28. It will be 140 by 168. Then 7 times 21. 147 by 168. Then 9 times 12 is 108 by 168. So we got to find what's the biggest. Since the denominator are all the same now, we got to find the difference between the numerators. We have to put it in ascending order. So we know the ascending order means smallest to biggest. And 108 is the smallest, and it will be the first one. Then the second one is 112. Then the third one is 140. Then the fourth one is 147. Then we got our answer here. The answer will be 140 by 168, which is 5 by 6. The answer to this question 39 is 5 by 6. The last question I am going to solve this time. Question number 40. It asks to arrange the fractions 2 by 9, 2 by 5, 2 by 11, and 2 by 7. In descending order. So to arrange these fractions in descending order, we know that descending order means biggest to smallest. To find the biggest fraction among here, since the numerators of these four fractions are all the same, we have to find the difference between the denominators. The bigger the denominator, the smaller the fraction. So that means the smaller the denominator, the bigger the fraction. Since 2 by 5 has the smallest denominator, 2 by 5 will be the biggest fraction. Then the next one will be 2 by 7. And we'll continue like that. So the answer to this question number 40 is 2 by 5, 2 by 7, 2 by 9, and 2 by 11. This time I solved question number 36 to number 40 from the mathematics questions, Sainik exam 2024. If there is anything wrong in my solutions, you can comment it in the comments. You can tell me in the comments, and I will be very happy. On the next video, I will solve question number 41 to 45. See you in the next video.